Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm sharing exactly how I made $700 in one day trading futures. If you've ever struggled with FOMO, holding trades too long, or just want a simple, effective approach to trading, this video is for you. I'll walk you through my trades, the strategy I used, and the mindset shift that helped me stop chasing bigger moves and start locking in consistent profits. Let's dive in. You know that feeling. You're in a trade and it's going well, but you hold on because you want that big move. Sound familiar? That was me, recently. I kept holding, losing out on profits that I could have locked in, just hoping for more. The irony? I often gave it all back or worse. So, I asked myself, how can I stop losing money? To my own emotions? The answer came down to mindset. Accept smaller wins and let go of chasing jackpots. I trade one or a few contracts at a time and use market orders to get in and out quickly. No waiting around, no limit order guessing. My strategy isn't complicated. I watch price action, capitalize on clear setups, and stay disciplined with my entries and exits. I don't rely on a million indicators, just a simple plan and patience. Let me break down the two trades that made up today's $700. First, I went short on one contract when I saw a pause and a reversal. This trade took about 10 to 15 minutes and netted me around $307. Later, I went long again. Got in at a good spot. Price dipped against me briefly, but then popped up and I closed it with $400 plus profit in about half an hour. Both trades were quick, clean, and disciplined. No chasing, no stress. You may wonder why I prefer market orders instead of limit orders. Limit orders can leave you waiting, possibly missing out if the market never hits your price. Market orders get you in and out immediately at the current price. Perfect for quick moves. This helps reduce the stress of watching the price fluctuate and saves time. But it's important you move fast and have confidence in your trade decisions. The big takeaway for me wasn't the strategy itself. It was how I changed my mindset. Instead of holding on for those rare big moves, I embrace taking profits as they come. Small wins add up fast and keep your confidence high. It's about being satisfied with consistent growth rather than gambling on huge overnight returns. This shift reduced my anxiety and improved my performance drastically. So, can you make $700 trading futures in a day? Yes, with discipline, a simple strategy, and the right mindset. If you're struggling with FOMO or inconsistent profits, try simplifying your approach and focusing on quick, consistent wins like I do. If this helped you or sparked any questions, drop a comment below, hit like, and subscribe for more practical trading tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.